Hi guys, Daryl here. Today we'll cover how to clone your own Veritas Vault promo page, which you'll see here. The link is below in the description for you to have a look at it, so just click that. Then as you're scrolling down, you'll see step 3. There's a button there. Click here to duplicate this page in leadsleap. So click on that and it'll open up the leadsleap platform. Click the red button at the top where it says get your free membership. Fill out the registration form and then log in. On the left hand side menu, scroll down to where you see page manager and click that. And then there's a button at the top. It says add new campaign. I've already got a page in here obviously, but we'll make a new one for this video. So click that, give it a name. I'll just call this my VVA and click add now. Then add a new page to start, and this is where you want the import code from before. Paste that in there and click import now. And give it a moment, and then you should be able to click on the link to see that the page is actually populated, and that's looking all good. And basically let's have a look at the launch editor, and we'll have a look at the content now, and this is where you can edit the page to however you like. Now the most important thing here is we need to take out my referral link, and you'd need to put your referral link in there. So you just get your Veritas Vault referral link and paste it in there. You can highlight it if you like and change the color. I like to have it in a nice bright red. And then click save to any changes that you wish to make to the page. So click OK. And the other thing you'll need to change is the Get Started Now button has your link. Well, it's got my link in there at the moment, but you just need to copy and paste your link into this box and save it again as well. And again, you can change any of the items in the menu as you see fit. All right, so and remember, leadsleap is completely free. They will try to upsell you, but a free account is perfectly fine. Cheers.